Hi, it's Julie, and good to see you all here. Maybe you have been following me for some time. Maybe this is your first time to look at a video that I've done. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my background. I've been on a journey to better eating and healthier eating, and it's led me in a lot of different ways. And about 15, maybe a little more than 15 years ago, I started what was at that time One Fresh Meal. It was a food business where I prepared fresh, local produce, vegetarian soups and salads for farmers markets. I was also doing kids cooking classes around that same time. They were called Eat Your Veggies, and I taught kids as young as 3 years old, and we had a lot of fun. And I've been on Facebook for some time, and now it's a cooking revolution. And I share recipes and videos, and just try to keep on doing healthy eating. And it's plant-centered. I know there's a lot of differing information about what is the healthiest way to eat. Everyone can agree that to eat more plants, more fruits and vegetables is a healthy way to live. So I just want to let you know that I have a course coming up called Simple Fresh Plant-Centered Cooking, and it will be a 6-week course where we have information about how to set up a kitchen that's helpful for plant-centered cooking. How and where to buy produce, fresh produce, local produce, seasonal produce, how to use spices and herbs to give you great flavors in your food, and then because one of the things that people say is, I don't have time, I can't cook, I don't have time to do this, it takes too long. That's where you need to plan. So plan when you're going to prepare things, do some meal prep, do some meal plans. That way you don't have any excuse. If you have something planned to cook and you've got everything ready for it, then you're going to make it, and then you don't have to go out to eat, spend all the money to do that, and eat food that may not be the healthiest thing for you. Anyway, it will be starting on March the 15th, and we will have some live cooking sessions and information, and I will put some information about it in the comments. So I hope to hear from you. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments or send me a message, and I'll be talking to you later. Bye-bye.